They're gonna close the bridge. Oh man. It's at a high bar. You guys. Now they're gonna close the bridge. See the bridge spinning? They're closing it. See guys. Oh, the boat over here. They're gonna close this thing down. You see them, they close it. They spin the bridge. They close it, now they open it. See it? Oh, look at that. Now we're gonna back to normal. They always close this bridge so the ship can come by. You know what I mean? Kind of fun. Come on. Closing it. Lock it up. Take forever. Everybody behind me. Everybody waiting. That ship coming. That's the one. That's why they closed that for that one coming right there. They closed that for that one coming. Come on, lock it up. Let's go. Too slow. Take forever, guy. See all the car behind you are stuck behind me. Everybody's stuck. Take forever for them to open the bridge. Not yet. I think they're ready. We're gonna move in. Come on, guy. All this waterway. See all the big boat, fishing boat. Yeah, they open now. See that? The green light come on right now. See? To open out the gate. That thing's spinning, you know? Yeah, green light now. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Everybody, let's go. Too slow. Come on, let's go. See that? Now everybody, let go. See that? This bridge right here is spinning. Whenever it's spinning, so the boat can cross over, you know. See all the boat? Woo. Look at all the boat. Look at all that boat over there. Oh, traffic jam. You see all the boat? Oh, that's the boat. See? We don't have one boat, we have like 100 boat. All that boat over there. Ah, we got traffic jam again. Fast, dude. Slow down, boy. Slow down, brother. See all the boat? Slow down, brother. Motorcycle, brother. Oh, that boat. Oh, that. See, nice and beautiful, guy. What do you think? Pretty or what? No, I'm not gonna pick up the phone. I don't have time for phone right now. I'm driving. Sorry. I don't have time for phone, okay? Don't call me now. See you guys. Alright, I think I have enough for you guys, okay? I think I have to stop, okay, guys? Bye bye. Bye bye. I think I have to go this way quick. This is slowly. Slowly. Process.
At the next light, turn right.
The next light turn right. You hear that? The next light turn right. Wait, turn right. Wait, turn right. Turn right. Where is it? It should be right here.
At the light, turn right onto Alden Road. Then you'll turn left into the parking lot.
Okay. We say turn right over here. And turn left to the parking lot. Alright, let's do it. We turn right. And we turn left. We go to the parking lot. Alright, we turn left right here. Oh yeah, yeah. Alright. And then what is it? Say something.
Your destination is on the right.
Alright, thank you. I'm coming. Alright guys, bye bye. I'm come to the store.